Edmame soya beans is a very good source of protein, very rich in healthy fiber, antioxidants, vitamin K, and today I am sharing two quick recipes of frozen edamame beans which is easily available in any supermarket in the freezer section. Hello everyone, welcome to Full House Kitchen. So here I got around 1.5 tablespoon of oil and into goes 1 tablespoon of garlic, which is around 3 to 4 big cloves of garlic finely chopped. Just saute it for 30 seconds and then add green chili and red chili flakes, which is completely optional according to your taste buds. And we are going to add around 1 big size of onion finely chopped, or you can have 2 medium size of onion chopped. Add some salt, which will help the onion to cook fast, and saute it for around 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame until it's translucent. Onion looks good, so now we are ready to add our edamame beans. And here I am adding it straight away from the freezer. So around 1 cup of edamame beans and around 1 cup of sweet corn, frozen sweet corn. And this is going to be a build-up recipe, so we are preparing this snack first, and from this snack we will build another recipe which will be a fried rice. The combination of edamame beans with sweet corn is just amazing. You must try this recipe. So now we are going to cook it for around 5 to 6 minutes until all the moisture evaporates and beans and sweet corn is nicely cooked. Beans and sweet corn is nicely cooked, so here I am separating half of it for my next recipe, and now we are going to add few things and our snack is ready. So here I am adding some butter, some seasoning salt. For seasoning salt I have taken peri peri salt, some chaat masala, and last but not least you can add some fresh lemon juice. Give it a nice mix and your nice and healthy tasty snack is ready. I hope you will give it a try and share your comments with us. And now let's proceed to our next recipe. So in the same pan here I am adding beans and sweet corn which we had taken it out, and into goes some spices, around 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of red chili powder. Add some water and we are going to cook for around 1 to 2 minutes until the raw flavor of the spices goes away and our beans and sweet corn is nicely cooked with the spices. To make the dish more healthy, here I am adding some chopped baby spinach leaves and chopped tomatoes. It's approximately 1 handful of spinach and 1 tomato per person, and this recipe will serve 2 to 3 persons. Now we are going to add some salt and we are going to cook it nicely until tomatoes are nicely soft and spinach is nicely reduced, and we need to make sure that most of the moisture from spinach and tomato evaporates. As you can see, the spinach and tomato is nicely cooked and everything has combined well. So now this can be served as a side dish or a sabji as well. But what I prefer to do to add some cooked rice into it and make it as a fried rice. So just add some cooked rice, give it a good mix and taste at this point and adjust the fried rice according to your taste buds. You can add some salt, chili powder, chaat masala, make it tasty. And it's such a nice way to enjoy edamame beans and spinach, everything together, and feed your family a very nice healthy meal. I hope you enjoyed this recipe.